is Pranita and welcome back to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and if you want to be updated on the new videos, then please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everybody, this is Pranita and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today I will be showing you all a quick and easy snack recipe. So let's get started. So the first step is to boil our chickpeas. I have already soaked them last night. Take a pressure cooker. Now transfer these chickpeas. Now add water. Cover it with a lid. Now we will cook this until we get 2 whistles. Meanwhile, we will chop all our veggies. I have taken 1 carrot, onion, tomato and capsicum. If you want, you can add more veggies of your choice. Now take a bowl. In this I am adding boiled chickpeas. Now I will be adding chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, chopped carrot, salt, chaat masala, pepper powder, coriander leaves, and lastly lemon juice. Now we will mix all the ingredients nicely. So it is ready. Now let's get into our serving part. So our chickpea snack is ready. It's very easy to prepare and it's very healthy. Please do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how was the video. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.